A common misconception is that if a United States citizen marries a foreign national, that spouse is going to be guaranteed permanent residency and U.S. citizenship with very little effort, and that it's something that's going to become almost automatic. This is definitely not the case. In addition to there being many requirements for permanent residency outside of the marriage itself is subject to serious scrutiny by immigration. In addition to the couple being legally married, they must demonstrate to immigration that the marriage was entered into in good faith. That means they have to establish that the marriage was not entered into for the sole purpose of obtaining permanent residency. And the fact that this process has been abused by many people throughout the years has led to an environment at immigration where no one is really given the benefit of the doubt when they walk in the door that their marriage was entered into in good faith. They have to establish this to the officer. They have to do this by a preponderance of the evidence. It's their responsibility to establish that this is a genuine marital relationship. The government will expect to see proof that the couple resides together. They'll expect to see proof that the couple has commingled financial assets. They'll expect to see other things such as photographs of the couple throughout their courtship and their marriage, affidavits of people that are mutual acquaintances of the couple that can attest based on firsthand knowledge that the marriage was entered into in good faith. It's important to bear in mind that while the individual bears the burden of proof, of proving that this is the case, and the government does not have to prove that the marriage is not a legitimate marriage, that the marriage just must have been entered into in good faith. And the courts have held that if the marriage was entered into in good faith, but the couple has since separated and is not yet legally divorced, that the individual can still obtain their permanent residency. So it's very important when working with an attorney or when applying to the government for this type of benefit that the individual be honest about the circumstances of their relationship, that they explain exactly what's going on, that they understand what is the legal standard in order to be approved, and that they take the time and the effort to prepare the type of documentation to show that this is the type of marriage that should result in permanent residency.